Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects every single one of us, whether we realize it or not: agricultural policy. In this ultimate guide, we'll explore what agricultural policy is, its key components, and the profound impact it has on our lives, economies, and the environment. So, grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's get started. First, let's define agricultural policy. Simply put, it encompasses the laws, regulations, and guidelines that govern the agricultural sector. This includes everything from crop production and livestock management to food safety and environmental sustainability. Agricultural policy aims to ensure food security, support rural economies, and promote sustainable farming practices. It's a complex web of decisions made by governments, organizations, and stakeholders that ultimately shapes our food system. Now, why should we care about agricultural policy? The answer is simple. It directly impacts our daily lives. The food we eat, the prices we pay at the grocery store, and even the health of our planet are all influenced by the policies that govern agriculture. Agricultural policy can determine what crops are grown, how they are produced, and how they reach our tables. It also plays a vital role in addressing pressing issues such as climate change, rural development, and food safety. Let's break down some key components of agricultural policy. One of the most significant aspects is subsidies. Governments often provide financial support to farmers to help stabilize their incomes, encourage production, and ensure food availability. These subsidies can take various forms, such as direct payments, tax breaks, or price supports. While subsidies can help farmers stay afloat during tough times, they can also lead to market distortions and dependency on government support. Another crucial element is trade policy. Agriculture is a global industry, and trade agreements can significantly affect farmers and consumers alike. Tariffs, quotas, and trade barriers can either facilitate or hinder the flow of agricultural products across borders. For instance, a country that imposes high tariffs on imported crops may protect its domestic farmers, but also raise prices for consumers. Conversely, reducing trade barriers can lead to lower prices and greater variety for consumers, but may challenge local farmers who cannot compete with imported goods. Regulatory frameworks are also a vital part of agricultural policy. These regulations cover a wide range of issues, including food safety standards, environmental protections, and animal welfare. Striking a balance between protecting consumers and ensuring farmers can operate effectively is a constant challenge for policymakers. For example, stringent food safety regulations are essential to prevent foodborne illnesses, but they can also impose significant costs on farmers and food producers. Let's not forget the importance of research and innovation in agriculture. Agricultural policy often includes funding for research initiatives aimed at improving crop yields, developing sustainable practices, and addressing challenges such as pests and diseases. Investing in agricultural research can lead to breakthroughs that benefit farmers and consumers alike. For instance, developing drought-resistant crop varieties can help farmers adapt to changing climate conditions, ensuring food security even in challenging environments. Now let's talk about the impact of agricultural policy on the environment. Agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. As such, sustainable agricultural practices are increasingly becoming a focal point of policy. Makers are recognizing the need to promote practices that minimize environmental harm, such as organic farming, agroforestry, and precision agriculture. These approaches not only help protect the planet, but can also enhance the resilience of farming systems in the face of climate change. Food security is another critical aspect of agricultural policy. With the global population projected to reach nearly 10 billion by 2050, ensuring that everyone has access to enough nutritious food is a monumental challenge. Agricultural policies play a vital role in addressing food insecurity by promoting local food production, supporting smallholder farmers, and improving food distribution systems. Initiatives that focus on empowering women in agriculture, for example, can have a transformative effect on food security and community well-being. As we explore the impact of agricultural policy, it's essential to consider the voices of those directly affected by these policies: farmers, consumers, and rural communities. Engaging stakeholders in the policymaking process is crucial for developing effective and equitable agricultural policies. Farmers' insights can inform decisions about what support they need, while consumers can advocate for policies that prioritize food safety and sustainability. Rural communities, often the backbone of agricultural production, must also have a seat at the table to ensure their needs and challenges are addressed. Now, let's examine some real-world examples of agricultural policy in action. The United States, for instance, has a long history of agricultural policy shaped by the Farm Bill, which is renewed approximately every 5 years. This comprehensive legislation encompasses a range of programs, including crop insurance, nutrition assistance, and conservation initiatives. The Farm Bill reflects the complexities of agricultural policy, balancing the needs of farmers, consumers, and the environment. In the European Union, the Common Agricultural Policy, CAP, plays a similar role, providing support to farmers while promoting sustainable practices. The CAP has undergone significant reforms in recent years, emphasizing environmental stewardship and rural development alongside traditional agricultural support. This shift highlights the growing recognition of the interconnectedness of agriculture, the environment, and society. As we conclude our exploration of agricultural policy, it's clear that this topic is not just for policymakers and farmers. It's relevant to all of us. Understanding agricultural policy empowers us to make informed choices about the food we consume and advocate for a more sustainable and equitable food system. Whether it's supporting local farmers, demanding transparency in food labeling, or engaging in discussions about climate-smart agriculture, each one of us has a role to play. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the intricate world of agricultural policy. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's continue the conversation in the comments below. What aspects of agricultural policy are you most passionate about? Until next time, keep exploring, stay informed, and remember, the choices we make today shape the future of our food system.